Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In today's session, I'm going to talk about the differences between similes and metaphors. When we use these two terminologies while composing any piece of work of literature where we have to compare two things, then these two concepts are utilized. A simile is a comparison between two unlike things that have something in common, whereas a metaphor is a figure of speech comprising two unlike things that have something in common. So the comparison is made without use of like or as, whereas in simile the comparison is made with the use of like or as. The example of simile would be snow was like a blanket, whereas the example of metaphor would be a heart of stone. So let's talk about these two ideas in detail in this session. First of all, we can see that the figurative use of language in literature or understanding of literature or analysis of literature, where we utilize these concepts, where we utilize these ideas in detail in order to talk about the kind of comparison between the two ideas. So, while comparing these two or describing these concepts or any other concepts that make a creative writing look different from the prose writing or ordinary writing, then the comparison goes beyond literal meaning. In normal day to day speech, we use literal meanings, direct words. The words mean more than what they say on the surface. So, in order to do that, we have to use the deeper meaning. We have to use the comparison. This gives the writing a fresh look at a common subject. Figurative language is not meant to be interpreted in a word by word sense. The objects that are being compared are different in enough ways so that the similarities, when pointed out, are interesting, unique, or surprising. Figurative language is used in poetry, fiction, as well as in everyday speech. So, it is the figurative language that presents a different look to the thing, that presents defamiliarization, that presents the concepts and ideas in a unique manner with the usage of poetic diction. So, the first concept is a simile, where comparison is made of two unlike things that have something in common. We use like or as for comparison. Examples would be it's been a hard day's night and I've been walking like a bee. My heart is like an open highway, like two peas in a pod, like Christmas in summer. Snow was like a blanket. My love is like a red, red rose. Dear rain like the wind. So here you can see that we use like for comparing two ideas, two concepts, two thought processes, and that make those two thought processes a usage and utility of simile. More examples could be as hungry as a bear, as nutty as a fruit cake, as quick as lightning, as slippery as an eel, as solid as a rock, as stubborn as a mule, as sturdy as an oak. So these are the examples of simile where we use like and as for comparison of two things, whereas in metaphors, a figure of speech where two unlike things that have something in common, the comparison is made without the use of like or as. For example, Patty was a raging tiger when she lost her lunch money. During the night, the forest was a dark, frightening battlefield. A heart of stone, he has a heart of a lion. You are the sun in my sky. You are the light in my life. She is my east and my west, my compass. So here you can see all these particular examples where the direct comparison, such as raging tiger or the dark frightening battleground, heart of stone, heart of a lion, sun in my sky. So these are the examples where you can see the direct comparison is made, whereas in the examples related to similes, you can see that as hungry as a bear, so a kind of indirect comparison was made. So indirect comparison with the usage of as and like is brought to light in similes, whereas direct comparison of two unlike things are made in metaphor and examples. Some more examples related to metaphors. Life is a mere dream, a fleeting shadow on a cloudy day. Love is a lemon, either bitter or sweet, drowning in the sea, jumping for joy, rolling in dough. Apple of my eye, it is raining cats and dogs. Love is a fragile flower opening to the warmth of spring. So here in these examples you can see easily that how comparison, that is direct comparison, that is made between two things. So similes are indirect comparison with the usage of like and as, whereas metaphors are direct comparison that state one thing to another. A simile is a figure of speech that compares two otherwise dissimilar things, often employing words like as or like, cheeks like roses. So metaphor is a figure of speech in which word phrase that has one literal meaning is applied to another thing in order to suggest a likeness or similarity between two things. The baby's cheeks were newly bloomed roses. So here you can see the example, cheeks like roses, and the baby's cheeks were newly bloomed roses. So the example can be elaborated. Similarly, more example, compare of two things. He was as quiet as a mouse, she swam like a fish. While in metaphor you can see the comparison of two things. Ali is a walking dictionary. Time is money. Likewise, some more examples related to similes. Busy as a bee, sparkle like diamond, hungry as a bear, and then more examples can be seen. Similarly, examples of metaphors. Jim is a giraffe, she is my rock, life's roller coaster. Life's roller coaster. You are an angel. He is a teddy bear. He is a pig times money. Her heart is gold. So, here I hope that while giving so many examples, it will be evident and self explanatory the difference between a simile and a metaphor. Simile, direct, where you see the indirect comparison, and metaphors, the direct comparisons are made. So if you have any question, any query related to these ideas, you can reach me out in the comment section below. Stay happy and make others happy.